Hey guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really special friend mail, and it has come all the way from across the pond in the US, and it's from one of my new friends, Alicia, where we have now, I think we've dubbed her the name Queen Virgo. In the Lip Smacking Nails. She's joined us in the Lip Smacking Nails group, and she had reached out to me to say that from watching my videos, she had maybe felt something shift in her and decided that she wanted to do the same again. She wanted to do videos as well, and she asked, could you send me a wee box of goodies? So of course, you know, not one to knock a gift horse in the mouth, I said, of course you can. And it has arrived here this morning. So I'm absolutely delighted, and I want to show you guys, I want to jump straight on it and show you guys everything that she sent to me, because God love her. I mean, she's nearly me in tears this morning, honest to goodness. So Alicia's channel is at Alicia Hill 6195. I will have it linked up in if I can get the wee card to work up here, I will have. If not, her channel will be linked in the description box. Please, everybody, go and have a wee look at her channel. I think at the minute she has only one video up and a few shorts. But she's just at the very start of her journey, and I would love for some of my guys to go over and subscribe to her channel as well. So Alicia, thank you so much, or Queen V as we're now calling you. Thank you so much for everything. I'm going to quickly go through it and what all I got. It all came, and I'm not going to show you the box because it has both our addresses on it. So but it all come lovely packaged with all these. Now, I've never seen these before, but she very clearly knows that my colour is pink, and we had loads of these wee rose petals in it. So this is how it had all been packaged, and it's just attention to detail, unbelievable. So first things first then, I've lifted everything out, and she has sent me over a box of charms. And I don't want to spill everything everywhere, but I have had a wee quick nosy, Alicia, because I wanted to see first what was here. So look at this box of goodness here. If anybody ever wanted to know what I would want in a box, it's all this glitter. Oh, look at the wee charms and everything in there. It's glitter and sparkles and pink. That's me in a charm, something glittery, sparkly and pink. So we've got a few wee charms in here, and I don't want to rip these open, so wait till we get a wee pair of scissors and see what's in here. Oh my goodness. And Alicia, for you only starting out your channel as well, I'm sure the last thing you needed to be doing was sending me a oh, look at the wee smiley face with a wee bow on it. Oh my God, have you ever seen anything so adorable? Can you see it right there? Where did I get it out? Oh my word. So I'm hopefully going to try and get this edited enough today so that she knows that I've got it. Obviously, I'll be messaging her as well, but oh my God, look at that. That's so cute. We have a few wee bags in here. Oh, Alicia. With a few wee bags in here. Oh, look at this wee, this is the turquoise. This is like sort of country chic. I would call this like sort of country and western, that turquoise stone in there. So there we are. Look at all the wee glittery stars and everything. Oh my word. And there's another wee bag here. Oh my God. Look at this. Far too much in this bag, Alicia. You shouldn't have sent me half of it, because, you know, all I want to know for, you know, from my channel, for many of my subscribers, is that if I have in any way touched your heart to make you want to film a video, I mean, because if I can do it, anybody can do it. But if I have touched anybody to want to film a video, that's all I need. That's all I want to know, because, you know, it means so much to me. Look at the wee butterflies. Aren't they just adorable? It just means so much to me. It really does. So we've all the wee, do you know, look at the wee cow. Is that a wee cow? What's that? Oh, it's like a wee bird. if I was to go through every single charm here, I think I'd be here for days. So we've all the bits and pieces in here, and we've got glitter. I mean, that's the first box. That's the first box. Where do you see what else there is here? So she also sent me some tips, nail tips with the wee hearts in them. I have not had any of these. I've seen a couple of girls using them, so I will now be using them to see what I can do with them. Now this is the most special thing here. So I got this fragile handmade gift, and I was like, what has she been making me now? So I went in. Now this, Alicia, this would have been enough, because this nearly had me in tears. So where do you see what's in this? Oh God, now the elastics or the sellotape stuck to it. But have you ever seen anything so beautiful? It's a wee magnet. But look at that. Isn't that absolutely adorable? Alicia, I don't think you know what that means to me. So thank you so much, because the whole community, the amount of friends and things that I have made, you know, people that I've met and made friends with, and I mean, it's unreal. And I hope, Alicia, you find the same community. I'm sure you will. I've no doubt in the matter that you will. But if you find half as many people that I have, you'll be doing well. We've wee mixing palette, which is going to be great for my marble, and you know, where I'm doing the alcohol inks and you know, all that now, so, and the watercolors and stuff, so that's going to be perfect. A notepad and pen, again in the pink, and that will be staying on my desk for writing stuff down, because I sit here and I think about things and I think, oh, I must put that in my phone on a list. That never gets near my phone, because by the time I stand up again, I'll have forgotten what that is. So we've got enjoy your nail sister meal. Isn't that just adorable? Well, look at all the wee stickers and everything there. Isn't that just adorable? Oh, look at this. Never give up. Believe in yourself. It's so true. I mean, you know, it really is. And even if you're having, you know, an off day, which I would have said to anybody that would stop long enough to listen, if you're having a bad day, you're having a bit of a sort of poo kind of day, just sit down at your nail desk and paint some nails. By the time you go to get back up again, which will be a lot longer than what you think it is, you're feeling completely different. You know, you feel like you've accomplished something in your day. So these are hexes of glitter. We've got our gold, silver and blue. Look at them, aren't they gorgeous? Like that there's going to be beautiful for Christmas time and everything as well. Even the blue. Isn't that gorgeous? What else? Oh my God, it's like Christmas. Nail stickers. So let's have a wee peep in here. We've got butterflies and wee flowers. I've had to sort of take the camera, zoom it out so to get it all in. So there's more wee flowers. Let's see. I'll do it like this, look. And we've got, wee black ones. They're always so helpful for wee space fillers. Oh my God, look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, wow, aren't they stunning? Oh my word, they're beautiful. And more wee flowers, and we've got more butterfly wings. Yeah, I think so. And wee bits of chain detail. And more butterflies. And do you know what? It's amazing that I haven't even got any of these stickers that you've sent. We've got wee geometric patterns and more butterflies and star. And look at these. Aren't they gorgeous there? With these wee things for around the nail tip and everything. Isn't that beautiful? So that's some stickers. We've got some more little charms, or wee like stones. I love them wee chameleon ones. They're gorgeous. And then a box of foils, which I will absolutely make great use of in my nuance nails, because when you're sort of marbling with the alcohol inks and the watercolors and stuff, a wee bit of foil sort of scattered in there just really lifts the whole look all together. So loads of different colours there as well. So that's fabulous. We've got a cuticle oil, which always, all your cuticles always hydrate. We got some dinky little polishes. Look, 2 pink polishes from Beetles. The girl knows me well. That girl knows me well. And we have a bag full of brushes. And there was something else in here as well. I'd seen this. Look at this, Self-Love Club. Now that's one thing that'll be coming into work with me, is this wee nail file, these wee nail files. Tell you why, because the girls now, because they know that I do nails, I'm the go-to, have you got a nail file person in the office? And of course they do, but never harms to have any more. But yeah, anybody's looking for a nail file, it's like, where's Linda? Is she off today? Where is she? Where does she keep her nail file? And in through the drawers they go to find out where all my nail files and everything else is. And then they go through my drawers and find the cuticle oil, and they find everything, and it's all plastered across my desk whenever I come back into work. So we've got then all these wee brushes. I mean, look at this. Not that I will ever need another nail brush for the rest of my life, but I will never need another nail brush for the rest of my days. And we've got a wee picker-upper as well. Oh no, a wee silicone tool, is it? Yeah, wee silicone tool. Again in the pink. You're so smart, Alicia. Oh, there's one down, man down. Let me get this all put back in again. And then we've got some chromes. Oh, 2 chromes and a glitter, I think it was. That's what I had looked at. So, beautiful pink glitter. And then a pink and like a bronzy colour chrome. And I have just started, I don't even know where it is at the minute, but I have just got one of those boxes that I'm putting my chromes, going to put my chromes all into. So these will be perfect for that. So listen, thank you so much. I'm beyond words. Thank you so much for everything that you have sent across to me. I'm over the moon with this wee jobby here. It's absolutely stunning. I really appreciate it so much. You have no idea. And thank you for all your kind words whenever you were reaching out to me as well, because it just makes my day to know that, you know, me sitting over here talking to myself in the corner of my spare bedroom has an impact on some people. You know, it's nice to know. I really appreciated it. So listen, it's just a wee quick video to say thank you so much. Thank you to all of my subscribers, and please go and have a wee look at Alicia's channel and show her all the love and support that you've shown me. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.